Keras in artificial intelligence. AI beginner means intermediate level. Introduction. Deep learning models such as neural networks are widely used in modern artificial intelligence systems. These models power technologies such as image recognition, speech recognition, language translation, recommendation systems, medical diagnosis. However, building neural networks using low-level deep learning libraries can be complicated. Developers often need to manage tensor operations, model architecture, training loops, gradient calculations. To simplify this process, high-level frameworks are used. One of the most beginner-friendly deep learning tools is Keras. Keras provides a simple interface for building, training, and experimenting with neural networks. Understanding Keras is very helpful for learners starting with deep learning and neural network development. What is Keras? Keras is an open-source deep learning API used to build and train neural networks easily. It is tightly integrated with TensorFlow, which acts as its backend engine. In simple terms, Keras equals a high-level interface that makes deep learning easier to build and train. Example concept. Dataset means Keras, model means neural network means predictions. Keras focuses on simplicity, readability, and rapid experimentation. Why Keras is important. Deep learning frameworks such as TensorFlow can sometimes be complex for beginners. Keras simplifies deep learning development by providing easy-to-use APIs, modular model building, simple training workflows. Example concept. Complex deep learning code means simplified using Keras. Because of its simplicity, Keras is widely used for learning deep learning, rapid prototyping, academic research, AI experimentation. Key features of Keras. Keras provides several features that make deep learning development easier. Simple model building. Keras allows developers to build neural networks with just a few lines of code. Example concept. Define layers means connect layers means build model. This reduces the complexity of deep learning development. Modular architecture. Keras models are built using layers that can be combined together. Examples of layers include dense, fully connected layer, convolutional layer, recurrent layer, dropout layer. Example concept. Input layer means hidden layers means output layer. This modular design makes it easy to experiment with different architectures. Easy training process. Keras provides simple commands to train models. Typical workflow. Define model, down pointing arrow, compile model, down pointing arrow, train model, down pointing arrow, evaluate performance. These steps can be executed with only a few lines of code. Built-in activation functions and loss functions. Keras includes many built-in functions such as activation functions, ReLU, sigmoid, softmax, loss functions, mean squared error, binary cross entropy, categorical cross entropy. This eliminates the need to implement them manually. Integration with TensorFlow. Keras is integrated directly into TensorFlow as TensorFlow Keras. This means Keras models can take advantage of GPU acceleration, large-scale model training, distributed computing. Example concept. Keras interface means TensorFlow engine means high-performance training. Example Keras code. A simple neural network using Keras. From TensorFlow. Keras. Models import sequential. From TensorFlow. Keras. Layers import dense. Model equals sequential. Dense. 64. Activation equals ReLU. Dense. 10. Activation equals softmax. Model. Compile. Optimizer equals atom. Loss equals categorical underscore cross-entropy. Metrics equals accuracy. This code creates a neural network model ready for training. Keras model workflow. The typical workflow when using Keras is: prepare dataset, down pointing arrow, define model architecture, down pointing arrow, compile model, optimizer plus loss, down pointing arrow, train model using training data, down pointing arrow, evaluate model performance, down pointing arrow, use model for predictions. Keras makes each step easy and readable. Types of models in Keras. Keras supports several ways to build models. Sequential model. The sequential model is the simplest type. Layers are stacked in order. Example concept. Input means layer 1 means layer 2 means output. This is commonly used for simple neural networks. Functional API. The functional API allows building more complex models. Example concept. Multiple inputs means shared layers means multiple outputs. This is useful for advanced architectures. Model subclassing. Model subclassing provides maximum flexibility. Developers can create custom neural network architectures. Real-world applications of Keras. Keras is used in many AI applications. Computer vision, image classification and object detection, natural language processing, text classification and language modeling, healthcare, medical image analysis and disease detection, finance, fraud detection and financial forecasting, recommendation systems, product and movie recommendations. Advantages of Keras. Keras provides several benefits. Advantages include: beginner-friendly API, easy neural network construction, fast prototyping, strong integration with TensorFlow, large community support. Example concept. Simple API means faster AI experimentation. Limitations of Keras. Despite its advantages, Keras has some limitations. Limitations include: less control compared to lower-level frameworks. Very complex models may require advanced APIs. Performance tuning sometimes requires TensorFlow knowledge. Example concept. Simple interface means limited low-level control. Concepts learned from Keras. Understanding Keras helps learners understand. Checkmark how neural networks are implemented. Checkmark how deep learning models are trained. Checkmark how model architecture is designed. Checkmark how machine learning workflows operate. Checkmark how AI models are deployed. Keras is one of the best frameworks for beginners learning deep learning. Simple definition. Keras, a high-level deep learning API that simplifies building and training neural network models. Final summary. Keras is a powerful and beginner-friendly deep learning API used to build neural networks quickly and easily. Integrated with TensorFlow, it allows developers to design models, train them efficiently, and deploy AI applications with minimal complexity. Because of its simplicity and flexibility, Keras is widely used for learning deep learning and prototyping AI systems. Understanding Keras is an important step toward mastering machine learning and deep learning development.